And you know, say, me daddy and me see liquor shop and me say with a blood clot at girl like a me and sitting. So me beg him my money. No $500 me get. But me see liquor shop, you know, people, liquor shop is 6 red stripe, 3 bun, 10 pack of cigarette. I must about 10 soda. Big up yourself, girl. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. What's that, Nikki? Big up yourself, man. Sometimes we have to try some look a poor life, man. How you know, say me and him living simple moving and me moving, you know, people. And you know, say, every Wednesday me realize I pay $500 me I get for bar market, you know. Until he raised if it's $700. So a $700 a week, the big blood clot, independent woman I get from the boy, you know. You know, see, I say, God, oh God, me love the boy already. And I'm sitting to blood clot and the cocky hold me. Where me I go do? You know me do, people? I just have my draw $500,000 to blood clot and build a shop. I draw $500,000 and say me I go try with him and build a shop. Because my sister, the boy calm. The boy not the boss of the boy black and rank, but the boy a principle with him. And every time I sit up on a chair and I cock up my foot pan him, I realize him keep my foot them closed and take them off of the chair. So my sister, the youth have something about him. My sister him have something about him. You understand? I say me I give him a chance. People in my community, through him I want like a poor youth. The people in my that I will buy every ply I put in the house. The people in my community say, then I will them all get plyboard to put up them here. This a big old shop here. They don't know what go on, you know. So when they see it I put up, they couldn't believe. Eventually people, I leave him, I still I do my work, I put him 999 business, I buy another car, so we are do the 2 thing and we are do the thing, but I don't make a shop lap. When you have a big funeral, I need to have to carry him for 2 car. And see it then now, God. I go on a tour. And I can't live to come see me, can ask you $10,000. Him not rich. And I can't live to see me, can ask you $10,000 now. And I can't get it. Any amount I can't ask him for, I can't get it now. See it there. Sometimes I have to try with some little people. See it there, I turn on the veranda light. I turn on it. See it the people at the veranda that. See it there. See it there, I'm animal alone. See it there. Nothing but God. Nothing but having faith in God and trust in God. Nothing but trust in God, have faith in God. See it there. See it the people. See it the trust in God. Trust in God. This are the $500 blood clot, man. This are the $500 man, and for the blood clot 7 years, me and him dead. Now, girl, never disrespect me. Me never said chiga which girl you call. Never. My baby always beside me. I don't know if my baby a fuck, yes I know, but my baby don't give me that the feelings there. Because I may angle every fucking thing. Wanna hear me say? I don't play relationship me in now. I the man when I fought pan the $500 man. I still with 7 years. And we plan to go bigger in our life. When I say, I plan to go bigger because we want to tour away. And when I get to the seed bag part, when I meet him in 2 seed bag then little, and I start to see them stretch down because they fuck. And he look at me one day and he say, babes, you know, say me I go sue you. I say, where you go sue me for? He say, seed bag them. Because when time him did meet me, in seed bag them did little. And by what? And me ask him where he must sue me for. And him say, When him meet me, seed bag them did little. And now them stretched down. And he want $2 million. I mean, I tell us the people, when you don't hear me talk about happiness, the happiness is coming off of this because I know where a independent, strong woman is coming from to stop by with a little poor youth and build together. And this is where my veranda alone could have be a bedroom and a bathroom and a kitchen. You don't hear me? So Nikki, when you say, are you this, big up yourself. May God bless you and your man. Sometimes we have to learn to pick up some little man where did one real good woman in life. We can uplift him because Chiga is a hard-working man. He wasn't a contractor. He lied to me because when me tell him, say, oh, me not see I got work. He say me the drunk. He tell me, say, he's a laborer. Yeah. God is God. And guess what? One night the boy make me strip and tell me to strip and sit down in the bed. And when you know me feel like me in a movie and I go make love. When you take a stop to blood clot, no me farry the boy take put on theme parade and I don't talk about let us pray. So any girl out there we independent and you look at money. You understand? We fuck all of the man, we are big man, and fuck only per man. But that bank no money and child and little boy, nothing wrong with that. You must know if you are rich somewhere. So me want to tell you, say, me and this young man now go left. And me now go tell nobody, say, what God put together, let no man. Me uncle can tell you, so me can pray towards it. Me I pray towards it. Me I pray that we don't left. Because me are telling the people, say, me a girl when me vomit, me no drink it back, meaning when me left. Me no drink it back, meaning when me left. Me no drink it back, meaning when me left you, me no. Me no drink it back, meaning when me left you, me no. Me no drink it back, meaning when me left you, me no. I don't think I hooligan in here. I'm going to hide the phone. And me. And me getting miserable. Your hearing starts, say, baby, stop. No, stop, baby. Stop. Me, I go do it. Just stop. And me not come in here with no vex station. As soon as you see him left shop, and you see him come into that bed, he hug me up and he squeeze me. And he get trouble in my sleep. Me have to say, Jesus Christ, Chiga, me want to sleep. We don't vex, go to bed. We don't have time for vex, go to bed. At 31 days in a 1 month, I can't afford to lose not in 1 day out of it. Because sometimes when you have 1 month and you lose 2 weeks out there, watch it, the relationship a end down. It a grow down. It a go down. You're not supposed to go to bed upset. Okay. Okay. So you and him have a little difficult. Still think that you know what he did. But don't go that vex. Because tomorrow, man, you don't want to see him beside you dead. You're going to say, oh God, and we were upset. No. My life is happy over here. Very happy. And I wish some of you women would keep in a household like this and happy like me. And sometimes he said, like me now ask you, me I tell you, so much things I do today and we're going to fuck tonight, he's gonna serve me breakfast in bed tomorrow. Because he said I do a lot of laundry. Because he want fuck me for last night, I'm going to tell him, make you fuck tea for tonight. I'm have a happy home. I am poor and blessed and happy. And I want to keep it this way. Because it's not a sweet feelings to be in your bed unhappy and you're upset with your fiancé and he's not paying you no mind and sleeping into another room, I go and burn down it blood clot. And no man now vex with me in here and take another room. Any room me and you are sleeping in. And if me find out say me and you vex and you are going to another room, me I wet up it blood clot. And then if I go on like I say, you want to go sleep over that side there, me I wet up that side there, so you better come catch pan blood clot me. You better come sleep on top of me. No man should take a woman for menke, especially when a woman do good in your life. When a woman do good in life, you're supposed to respect her. All if you're on her left, you're supposed to have a respect for that woman. And any woman send for your man to a foreign. Any woman or a man send for a man a foreign and you wasn't done nothing and you and that woman left, you are supposed to give that woman back some money. You are supposed to go up on your foot and give her back some money. She deserve it. And she deserve a million respect. And if your wife that you have cannot understand, so you respect this woman because this woman let you reach where you are, she go have to constantly say and the woman fucking there because you're not breaking that relationship with that woman. So if you don't want to have trust in me, it's your fucking business. It's that woman why you have me today. At the fucking end of the day, you don't care what she want to say. We are going to dead and you still need a backup. When you show respect like that, that person that you left that help you will still be there for a backup for you. I'm telling you. Now I have to be sitting here watching, waiting for the next round for Queenie. Because when I feel like say it is not going to happen, it is going to happen. Something bigger is coming. So thank you very much. Something bigger is coming into Queenie life. No, believe me. This one gone bigger. It's coming with a strokes too. You hear me? It's coming. Because guess what? You sit there and you use psychology because you know the young man is going to go right back down. You sitting there because you could never have the media as a fool. You have yourself as a fucking fool because you are the sperm drinker. No media not drink no sperm for you. You have gave your man threesome. Which woman does that? And you're going to talk about married woman? You are the fucking first woman married? You are the fucking first woman married. The funniest thing is that when you were young, you did not married. And now you're fucking old. And you want to come go like you're young? With a young boy? What the fucking you were doing with all your life all this time? Why you didn't get married? I need to know. I need to know. For you to come right now to go on like say you want to pay a person to be with you that do not want to be with you, because I can realize some menopause come with this miserableness. Some menopause come with flash eat, sweat. Some menopause come with lousiness and sleepness. But I can see your one come with a big miserableness. And you want to pay a young boy because you know the young man was going to fall. And me realize the young man is after a lot of bigger man because it's an idiot. So it's from one bigger man to one bigger man. You're sitting there watching him to fall to accept him back because you were waiting on the phone call. You don't buy love. You don't buy it. You let it come natural. And if it's supposed to be for you, it will come. And Queenie is not a mad woman, because a mad woman would never want this relationship. Because sometimes you see some people on the road and think they are mad. They are not mad. She's not mad. She just gave up on her little pussy with dry out. And she get a young boy will give her some sweet fuck, forget the green card, but the fuck's over. It's over now. That's what we want to tell you. It is not right. You are a demon. You are a demon. You're a obia worker. You're a obia worker. For go and obia the people and boy pitney to stay on your little old front. London, England, done you out, fuck you out, you suck them out. And you choose to pick up one little boy of all your fucking ears. Eh? Because I done London done with you, you know. London want you no more. So you want come take your little ranking piece and blighten him. Let me ask you something. You look a dirty slut. You look a stretch out slut and stretch out mouth. Where I go walk with Dewey underpants by your head. To remind you that you collect sperms. You are what, 60 now? Do we want a baby? Let me ask you something. Can you give Dewey a baby? Can you give Dewey a baby? Or you think because you give him threesome, Dewey if you go breed someone out there and take the baby, come give it, take care of. So you are what? You are what? A collector? So you have your own house and cannot live happy in it? Of all this year you've been balling to cow bush. And for once before you're dead, you cannot live happy? Why did God take Rochelle? Why wasn't you the one God take and left Rochelle? Why? You's one old miserable old fucker. And you're gonna talk about, say, do we come on the internet and say it was a misunderstanding? Which misunderstanding to tell you that your pussy dry and you're sucking cocky? Look, I want you to imagine yourself as a big woman with a young boy standing in front of you with you on your knee, sucking a cocky, collecting sperms. Is it right? Is it right? You take the beach and you go married and no one push off your little Ross in the sea and make you drown? They should have pushed off in the sea. You shouldn't be here right now. You are a disgrace to woman. And you want come said, who is this? You don't know me? Someone tell her who me is. It's not fair. And then you want the young man mother to love you? No, it's not right. She cannot love you. How can you take your husband for 3 women? So you know what, Queenie is like a dog shit. You're both a sodomite, a go-go, a whore, and a slut. You are supposed to dash her in a garbage bag tie up. And nobody know it's a body. Just crush up. Because you take your husband for threesome for sure you say something is wrong. Your husband is not happy with you. Because your front is not happy. You do not have any substance in your front. Your pussy plant gungo and the gungo can't grow. You're all like me. You are supposed to leave young people, let them strive. You cannot use your little ranking. When you piss, you rank up the whole house. If you don't drink enough water. And I don't see where you find time to drink a lot of water. So the whole house rank a piss. So little more from this, do it full of piss. Do we have to go start use sanitizer to start bathe off himself? Because you don't have any substance in your pussy, then you got to do breast. And remember, you cannot have no feelings in your breast when you put in carpet in there. So there's no feelings on you. So give up. Give up and find yourself a man. A man that respects you, a man who will draw cheer for you. But do we come back, and he's coming back strong. Don't feel he's gonna lay down in bed with you at night time. He's going out. And there's no cocky for you. There's no more cocky for you to fuck. You always gonna suck. So when he comes home, you don't have to wash it off with soap. You will collect and wash it with your mouth. Because your mouth can disinfect and everything. Why did you say mighty God, that girl? Why did you say mighty God? Pop, why did you say that? Woman must have class. Woman must happy. Independent woman must treat themselves as independent woman. Independent woman can go out there and buy a fuck and let off a boy. Don't broke no boy bad. You hear what I'm saying? I like when you ladies are happy. Happy, you're supposed to be happy. Woman goes through so much drama. We get born. We breed, we get picnic. There's a lot woman got through, so why can't we happy? Why can't you let yourself happy? And you don't have to have a fucking dildo to happy. You're an independent woman. So if you decide, say, listen, I see a guy and I like him. Thank you, Barbie. I see a guy and I like him. I'm going to give him a one fuck and let him off. Make him blood clot run you down. All along, not because you're carrying a man ribs, that means you owe him an obligation. Independent woman supposed to deal with things different. When you're independent, that means you have your things. You come in and you fuck a boy and he can't fuck good. You send him go water flowers before day. Times at 4 o'clock you water it. So you know if you send him them the hours there, you know he can't come back in your blood clot yard. Oh, me a dangerous woman. Me the pretty and sexy in a blood clot. And which young boy could have come send me wicked to them cocky? And then when I do that this fucking thing, you're the young boy them. Queenie, are your name Do Road? Are your name Do the one I move? Cause the boy they have it for sale. Ah, mama. Come here and tell them talk, you know. Mama, you look good. I'm going to give you one, you know. And take a clock off of you. But take a clock off of you thinking mama will stretch out. Queenie Ag. You never say Ag no hold up their head, they always hold down. Queenie Ag. Yeah, never hold up in blood clot head. Queenie shame the blood clot. Shame and all these disgrace. I'm telling her, it and run. I want you, baby. And we are it and run. Queen didn't get the chance to eat and blood clot run. She never get the chance to eat and run because any of she get the chance to blood clot eat and run. A boy mess with me and next boy that in a blood clot picture. And me say when time you blood clot take a man and a man left you just a fuck one next one and you ball for you one where you left. When I have time for you stress out. I forget over 2 blood clot man. But see someone a ball over blood clot man when they left. Hey, fuck a next man. Meanwhile, you say fucking next man, you cry to blood clot and the next man say, you cry for that one but I cry same, you soon gone because I fuck you hold me. I don't find a relationship, but I don't like you know. I don't blood clot like you know. We not show up a girl door front. We not show up a girl door front. We no do that. The type of girl me blood clot is when me I take a blood clot man and the boy have him picnic them and the man that a baby mother they left. That a baby mother if come and me blood clot where we come asking blood clot picnic maintenance. Kind of boy can't play with me. All of my blood clot bed me send you see pussy in my bed there. Making you blood clot picnic them blood clot money. Come in and play them the blood clot game. For your breed a blood clot girl you must mind that. Me don't know how no man thinks Hello, then that's why I have to cuss her about them. The man say and I dry. The man say she suck off in cocky. The man say threesome every blood clot. You know say I'll do it no easy. But oh Jesus Christ. You say on a big woman, some on a big woman not easy, you know. You hear where Queenie say, I'm my husband, I'm supposed to suck my pussy. Then do we really go on to them they for blood clot grey hair there? I hope them in your dirty blood clot. I hope the grey hair them come like a blue movie wrong turn and wrap around the blood clot neck and in your pussy hole. I hope it in your blood clot. Because you know, see Queenie two blood clot leg go then lock up. Queenie blood clot two leg then come like them blood clot black bedded. I want them grey the in your blood clot. And if they not in you shall pick grey hair to your blood clot. Get the whole of money for run out. More pick up for your next pussy again. From one old pussy to a next old blood clot pussy. Oh you mean take out them blood clot money? You know, see Momo run, Momo she say money did a blood clot go. Momo took off, put it and blood clot run. Why? No man. I am so nice. I am so sweet and nice to blood clot. I saw she name, sorry. Oh no, I can't call her body name good. Oh no, I can't call her blood clot body name good. Boy,